welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you how I made this amazing and simple iridescent stuffed envelope. And it's really how I've been doing a lot of my envelopes. It's so easy, and I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. First off, you're gonna need literally two things. You're gonna need this paper, which is a 12 by 12, and it obviously doesn't have to be 12 by 12. If you have a smaller size envelope you want to use, be my guest, but that's what I'm using. And I got this at Michael's. It's the Recollections line. You can get it for about $2. And the other thing I'm going to use is just this. You can either, okay, I'm giving you two options here. This is the red line tape. I'm sure many of you crafters know it sticks to everything. See all that glitter? Sorry. Embarrassing, but yeah. So this is the red line tape, which is double-sided and comes through clear. Or you can use this crafting tape, which you can pick up from Amazon or one of the scrapbook stores. They all sell it. It's double-sided and extremely durable. And that's what I used. I would actually use either of these. It was just kind of, this was on my desk, so I used it. If I go in and out, I'm sorry. I had recorded this once. Not looking forward to doing it again. My last video came out so blurry. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, you guys. And I'm sorry I keep bumping into the camera. Because I'm kind of standing and trying to do this because I want to see if it's going to catch what I'm doing. I really need some serious YouTube advice. Like, what cameras are you guys using? Are you looking at yourself while you're filming? I don't like the idea of not being able to see what I'm doing while I'm filming. So, okay. And then just so you know, it comes with this extra sheet, which I usually use for something else. Okay. Now, too easy, you guys. What I'm going to do is take my paper, literally fold it in half, corner to corner. Hopefully you can see that. I'm trying to... Okay, so corner to corner, edge to edge. I just want to make sure this is right, because actually when I filmed it last time, I messed up a couple times. I do everything perfect until I get on camera. Does anyone else do that? All right, so that's all I did is literally fold it in half. Now, I don't measure this part. You can do it any way you want. But I am just eyeing it. Whatever you need, whatever project, that's how you'll fold it. So I'm kind of using my scoreboard as a guideline and folding it. And as you can see, you already have pockets. Okay, so, all right. Now, I'm going to tape in here and in here, but I want to show you something. So when I complete this and it's sealed there, it's going to have 1, 2, 3 pockets. If you want any of those sealed, you can obviously do that. Or if you want to get a little fancy, you can cut this right now and it would fold like this. And you would have the pocket look like that. But I'm just going to leave it like this because I want to show you exactly how I did my Mermaid loaded envelope. I went all the way to Michael's just to get this paper so I could do it again. Okay, so I'm just taping this and I'm going to show you. Just taping it on the edges. And I really think the red line tape would be better for this, but just because I use this in my other project, I'm going to go ahead and use it again. Okay. And I guess you could just do one long strip. I don't know why I just did that, but I'm going to... Oh, this is not easy to work with when you're on camera. Okay. My little guy is in school now, and now I have more time to film, so I'm hoping that's what I can do. is film at least once a week. And I really need to get this camera thing situated. So if you have any suggestions for the cameras you use or what, I don't want to go crazy because I'm not like a YouTube star, but I just want to be able to film. Okay, so that's sealed. Now I'm just going to seal these two sides right here. And like I said, if you want to get fancy, not only can you, if I didn't seal that, but you could also do a little cut here, and then it will just be a pocket inside there. So I'm going to add tape over here. This is just too easy. And you don't have to do this with this paper. You can do it with any paper. This is really how I've been doing most of my envelopes, except maybe making it a little fancy with a little cut here and there. And I'm sorry for you perfectionists that I'm not cutting this. I really do not like working with double tape. Sometimes I cut it, most of the time I tear it, and it's probably hurting your eyes because it's not perfect. Most of my projects look perfect on the surface, but really that's kind of how I work. Okay, so ta-da! And that is it. Like, so you have this, this, and this to stuff. Isn't that easy? How cool, right? And I don't know if someone's done this tutorial before. I really have no idea. I have just been seeing the loaded envelopes on Instagram, and I was like, oh, I definitely have to do one of those. I'm not even pen paling that much, but I just like to do these projects, and I like to you know, come up with different ideas and colors, and I like to put my sequins in there so people can see how to use the colors or coordinate. But anyway, here's another example of pretty much what I just did, but in a different way. So I had made one pocket here, one pocket here. This is double-sided paper, by the way. So you can see what it looks like. And let me show you one more project that I did. It's using this. This was one I posted recently. And here I scalloped the edges. So I've got the pocket there, and then I cut this down. And remember, this is double-sided paper, so that's why it has the two patterns going on. Otherwise, it will just be white right there. Just letting you know that. So anyways, I really hope you see how easy it is, and hope I clarified on what I did, but that is literally all I did, besides add some beautiful trimming, oops, sorry, and all that kind of stuff. But I didn't stuff it too much because I wanted you guys to be able to see the iridescent area inside of this. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I know you guys are going to post something really beautiful, and I can't wait to see it.